What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today I got a new product from Milwaukee. It's not this. I've been using this one for quite a while. This is the MILWAUKEE FUEL. It is not an impact, it's just a ratcheting wrench, but it does up to 55 foot-pounds of torque. It is brushless and it is freaking awesome. However, it does have its limitations, and that's mostly, you know, getting into tight spaces. So like, for example, if I need to get all the way back to this header bolt, it's not really that easy for me to get back there. Now, what if Milwaukee came up with a solution for that? Oh yeah, we got it. Right here, this thing is brand new, actually. Just came out, just came to the market. Let's do a quick unboxing and I'll show you this guy. It is really awesome. I love their tools. So we will just kind of show the comparison. Most access without busting knuckles. This one actually does 11.5 inches, get you in there deep. The regular one, 8.25. So the cordless competitor, only 10 inches. Also, the competitors only do about 40 foot-pounds of torque, whereas the Milwaukee does 55 foot-pounds of torque, and the pneumatic competitor does 55 foot-pounds of torque. You can see all this cool stuff. Also comes with the 2 amp hour lithium lithium battery, which I love their battery system. This is the M12 system. So let's quit rambling and get to it. Oh yeah, there's the part number, the 5260-21. One of these you can get as a tool only, or you can pick it up, you know, with the battery, which is this guy right here. If you watch my channel, you'll know the S52 swap. Have not done an update for you in a minute. There it is, it's in the car. Yes, it's running. I'm gonna have full videos detailing each and every step to installing an S52 into your BMW E30. So, or, you know, any 24 valve engine. Oh yeah, I gotta love that. A little Benchmade right there. Lots of content to come on the E30. But you know, new tools are always cool, and this is gonna help me install my headers, actually. It'll help me get in there and do it a lot quicker, because I think there's 24 bolts on these headers, 12 for each cylinder, or not cylinder, 12 for each bank, so each 3-cylinder bank, front and rear. So this guy comes with the charger. Here's the cool little tool bag that it comes with. See that? Oh yeah. Boom. Look at that right there. Comes with 1 M12 battery. Yeah. Just one in this particular kit. So if you guys have more fuel stuff, you will know that more batteries, mo better. All right, now this one's probably not that charged. What's really cool about the wrenches, see right here, those little lights, it'll show you the battery indication. So, it's got the safety on. There's a safety switch here. It's very nice. So, we got 2 lights, meaning there are 2 battery indicators, meaning it's half charged, basically. Now, look at this. As you can see, it is a lot longer than the stocky. So, boom, look at that. You can see the difference here. That is just awesome. It's gonna let me get in there deep. So let's give it a try out. I really love these tools. What's cool too is it gives you 55 foot-pounds of torque. Now that might not sound like a ton of torque, but I'll tell you what, it's enough to snap a freaking 10mm nut right off of something. So you do need to be careful with these things, because they do pump out quite a bit of torque. Now, when you're trying to bust something loose, what's cool is when it hangs up and gives you that 55 foot-pounds of torque, it'll stop, right? The whole ratchet will stop. It's not gonna kick the hell out of your hand like a pneumatic one would or any of that stuff, which is really, really nice. Plus, you don't have a stupid cord hanging out of it. That's huge for using tools like this. But the biggest thing is that you can still use it as a ratchet after that. So if you need to get a little bit more juice, yeah, it will work. It will ratchet like a normal ratchet until it gets loose, and then you can, boom, blast your fastener off. Okay, so we'll use the new one. So, you know, you got your basic on or off, counterclockwise, clockwise. It does have a light on it, so that is very nice to illuminate the area. It's pretty skinny, you know, good for that. Look now, look what I can do. I should be able to get, boom, right down in there without any problems. So I'm just gonna put these on hand tight. Ooh. Whoops. As you can see, it transfers a little bit of torque through the car. Let's see. Got the proper gasket for this one now. Just gonna pop that down there. Okay. Let's make easy work of this with this new ratchet. Stoked to try it. Right. See, when it gets the torque, it doesn't kill me. That one's already good. It's great because it doesn't just like rip your freaking hand off, which is really nice. Okay. You would absolutely destroy your hand once you get to that that tight area, you know? It's just gonna go whoom and just destroy you, which is not fun. We got a couple more back here. Let's see. Oh yeah. See that? Make it easy work of this. Boom. That legit was super awesome. That header's on. So that tells you anything. That was like 12 bolts. Now, mind you, I think I had 2 or 3 of them tight already. But dude, freaking sick. I love these wrenches. So if you guys are on the fence, wow, sorry about that. If you guys are on the fence about buying one of these, geez, I keep hitting this all over the place. There's a safety right here, so you don't hit it all the time. Just FYI. But what I was gonna get at is, I probably have about 3 favorite Milwaukee tools. Now this is definitely going to be one of them, the extended reach, but I probably won't use the extended reach all the time. You know, I'll probably use this one mostly, just because it is a little bit more compact. Most of the time I'm gonna use this, but it all depends on, you know, the time and the space and all that stuff on what I'm actually going to use. But my 2 favorite tools are probably this guy right here and then this, and they're actually both M12 tools. So for the most part, this thing busts off a ton of bolts. I can pretty much do most of my suspension stuff with this little guy. This is a stubby 12 volt impact wrench, and I think this does up to 250 foot-pounds of nut busting torque, which is pretty amazing out of a little 12 volt system. Super lightweight. This one I do have in 1/2 inch drive. You can get it in 3/8 drive. You can get it in 1/4 inch drive. But this thing is a freaking little workhorse, and I would recommend, if you're going to like add to your car some stuff coming up because you want some tools, get these. These are the tools you want. These things are gonna make your life so much easier, speed everything up like crazy. Now, that will not get off everything, you know, but I could bust off wheels, no problem. So like lug nuts, no problem on a regular car. Torqued to about 90 foot-pounds, not an issue. Super, super easy. Suspension stuff, like I said, for the most part, it can do it. Sometimes I gotta pull out the mid-torque. That does 750 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. And that one's pretty much a beast, but you know, I don't have to get it out that often because this thing is so badass. So you can totally eliminate your air tools with these tools. Lightweight, easy to charge, they're awesome. I know I've been rambling. Links down below in the description. Check them out on milwaukee.com, milwaukeetool.com I should say. And later, and wrench on.